Very good morning. This is Manish, RIMT University from the Department of Hotel Management, and today I am with the topic Introduction to Hospitality Industry. So before starting this session, before starting this video, I want to just discuss that why we are taking this hospitality, why we are taking the topic that Introduction to Hospitality Industry, what is the importance of the hospitality industry. So I feel that, and so many students have a doubt that what is hospitality? Is it any hotels? Is it any hospital? What is hospitality? So I try to solve this problem. I try to solve this doubt by the help of this video today. So very thank you to all students. Please watch this video. Hospitality industry. Firstly, we have to understand what is hospitality. Hospitality means service. When we are giving service to the customers, when we are served to the customers, that is the hospitality. So now we have a hospitality industry. It is a part of service industry. There are lots of service industry like hotels, like tour and traveler industries, like aviation airlines industry, like retail industry. So there are so many service industry that is called as a hospitality industry. The main objective of the hospitality industry is to cater the need of the customers in the best possible manner. Why? Because each and every service industry try to solve the problems, try to give satisfaction to the customers. Each and every customers is like a god. They try to complete their needs, wants, all the services given by the hospitality industry. It is a kind of umbrella. It is a kind of umbrella of the different industry, like which are giving the services to the guest, services to the customers. So we have again some segmentation. There are lots of industry which has come under the hospitality industry. So these all are the segmentation of the hospitality industry. Like first we have hotels, hotel industry which is provides food and beverages, accommodation to the guest, and give satisfaction, give luxuries services to the customer. And next we have aviation. As you know, aviation, there are lots of airlines. So all the airlines industries come under the aviation sector. This is also come under the hospitality. Next, travel tourism. So travel tourism like by road travels, by air, by water, each and every travel tourism industry, this all come under the hospitality sector. And hospitals also, because present days the hospitals is also come under the hospitality, because each and every hospital provide luxury services to their patients. Their food and beverages, each and everything they provide to the patients. So that is very good services from the hospitals also. That is why we are taking the hospital in hospitality segmentation. Nightclubs, there are so many guests, so many customers who are using the nightclubs. They are going to nightclubs while spending their time and meet to each others, and this kind of we get together, and this is also come under the hospitality industry. And cruise lines, we have different cruise lines. These all are also provide some services, food and beverage services at their journey. So these all are the hospitality. And villas, resort, as you know, there are so many resorts who provide lots of accommodation services, food and beverage services, as well as to the tourist customers. So this is again come under the hospitality industry. Next, e-commerce. As in the present days is the current scenario, there are so many uses of the e-commerce, internet. By the help of internet, customers are purchasing the needs and requirement, complete their needs and requirement, and each and every products will be available on internet now. So this e-commerce it's also come under the hospitality, and this e-commerce provide lots of services to the customers at their home place. Retail sector, if you are talking about the retail sector is also come under the hospitality sector, because now these days retail sector provide lots of customized products to the customers. Customer has to visit the outlets and they can purchase whatever they want, whatever they need, each and every needs, each and every wants completed by the retail sector also. So this retail sector we can say is a hospitality sector also. So these all are the segmentation I have made for the clarification. What is the hospitality? What is the hospitality? Means services. These all are the industry, these all are the sectors which provide to the services, which provide the very manner services to the customer. So this is the hospitality segmentation. So now we clear one by one what are the industry, what are the sectors that come under the hospitality. First we have a hotel industry. Now the hotel is a very popular industry which has come under the hospitality industry. So hotel industry, firstly we have to clear what is the definition of the hotel. Hotel is a place where a bona fide traveler can receive food and beverages and he or she able to pay the services which is received in a premises. So this is the hotel industry, and hotel industry always provide food and beverages, accommodation facility, spa, swimming pool facility. There are lots of facility given by the hotel industry. So this is the very popular industry which has come under the hospitality industry. So there is a full form. We have also the hotel. What is hotel? H stand for here home, O stand for off, T taxable, E endless, and L for luxury. Why we are taking this kind of words? Because hotel is kind of a home of the guest. It is a kind of home, and every guest, every customer feel that they are living in their home, because each and every facility will provided, each and every comfortable zone, each and everything will be provided at their room. So this is the hotel industry. So why we are taking hotel industry in a hospitality? Because the hotel is one of the best industry which is provide satisfaction, which is provide each and everything to the customers. Customer is like a god for this industry, and they attend the customers like a guest. So there is a major department, we can say there is a dividation of the hotel. So these all are the core department we can say. We have a 4 core department. Front office department, this is the first major department of the hotel industry, and the second is food production. It is related to the kitchen, and third one we have food and beverage services. This is the food and beverage services, as a name indicate, this is provide all kind of food and beverages to the customers. And last fourth core department we have like accommodation housekeeping. This is completely related to the cleaning and maintenance, because each and every department, each and every rooms have required that there is a very clean appearance, there is a very clean theme, each and everything has to be. So these all are the cleaning and maintenance workout responsibilities come under the accommodation housekeeping department. So these all are the major department, and I'll answer to these major department. We have also some ancillary departments like finance department, HRM department, accounts, and other so many departments we have. There is a security also, and these all are the department will coordinate to each other to give a very satisfactory services to the customers. So in the next slide we are going to describe one by one briefly what is front office, what is food production, what is F&B service, and what is accommodation. If we are talking about the front office department, it is the very major department in the hotel industry. Why? Because it is selling the rooms. It is a very productive department. It is responsible for selling all kinds of rooms. It has come under the welcome, we can say the front office staff, reception area. There is a front office staff who will responsible to welcome all the guests. Whenever the guest can come, they have to come firstly at the reception desk. This is the front office desk, and the front office employees always welcome to the guest. This is the responsibility of the front office guest, employee. And next we have a reservation. Front office department is also maintain the reservations, do all kind of reservation, online reservation, offline reservation, walk-in guest, each and every kind of reservation, each and every modes of reservation handled by the front office department. And they are also allotting the rooms key to their guest, and always handle the luggages there, because so many guests have their luggages, so there is a luggage department as well as in the front office, and they all are responsible for handling the luggage of the customers. So these all are the services given by the front office department. And bill section also, whenever at the time of the departure, at the time of the billing section, they are responsible for the billing as well as for the customers. So these all are the facilities, we can say, these all are the responsibility, we can say, of the front office department. And these all are the services give the satisfaction to the customer, give a very familiar touch to the customer, and be very comfortable to the customer. So next we have a food production department. It is a kind of a backbone of the hotel industry, because each and every hotel industry is famous for their food and beverages, because each and every guest, customers want to eat some food and want to take some beverages at the in the hotel industry. So this is the food production department. This is the basically related with the kitchen department. And in the kitchen department there are so many sections, like a soup section, Chinese cuisines, Italian is also there, tandoor section is also there. There are lots of cuisine, there are lots of foods in the India. So each and every sections come under the kitchen department. This is the food production department. Mainly this department responsible to make different kinds of food, different kinds of beverages to the customers. Now third one, we have a food and beverage service department. So food and beverage service, as the name indicate, this department serve the food to the customer, serve the beverages to the customer. This is the all department which is closely deal with the customer, which is closely handle all the customers. There are some outlets in the F&B service department. First we have a coffee shop. This is the coffee shop which is run 24 hours in your hotels. In a 24-hour services given to the guest, the guest can receive their food and beverages, some coffees, tea at the 24 hours. So this is the services given by the F&B service department. And bar also, there is another outlet. This is bar related to basically beverages, alcoholic beverages, all kind of alcoholic beverages. There are so many mocktail, cocktails provided by the bar section. So whenever the customer want to take drinks, want to take some alcoholic beverages, so they can enjoy in the bar. Next we have a restaurant. As well as you all know, there is especially for the lunch, dinner, breakfast, each and every lunch food items, each and every dinners has been provided in the restaurant. The restaurant is a place where the guest can receive their food at one place. So again we have a banquet facility in the food and beverage department. What is banquet? Banquet, it is made for the large numbers of people. There is a group of people, there is some function, there is some marriage party, we can say, there is a birthday party, we can say. There are lots of function which is organized in the banquet area, because this is the large area, large amount of people can gather, large amount of food can serve in this area. So this is again come under the food and beverage service department. So next we have accommodation housekeeping department. As earlier I also explained, this is come again backbone of the hotel industry, because accommodation and housekeeping is responsible for cleanliness and maintenance. Each and every area of the hotel industry, each and every department of the hotel industry has to be well maintained, has to be well clean, ventilated, and these all are responsibility come under the accommodation housekeeping department. So there are again different sections. Room cleaning, the staff which is responsible for the room cleaning, which is responsible for giving the all amenities in the rooms, giving the satisfaction to the customers at their staying time. And next we have a floor cleaning. Floor cleaning means the staff, another staff which is responsible for all type of floor cleanings in a lobby area, as well as in a coffee shop area, in a restaurant area, in other outlets of the hotel industry. And next we have a laundry services. Laundry services means there is a washing area, because we are using so many linen, tablecloths, bed sheets, curtains, so many cloths materials in the hotel industry, and these all are the cloth material has to be washed at daily basis, routine basis. So there is the laundry department as well as, which is responsible for clean each and every linen items. Next we have a lost and found, because there in the hotel, in the rooms, lots of customer have lost their valuable items. So this is again section, this is the lost and found section, and the housekeeping staff will carry all the lost and found item in that section, and there is a special procedure to handling the lost and found. Next we have a linen uniform. Also accommodation staff, housekeeping staff will responsible to provide the uniform to the different department. Like kitchen department, there is a chef, so he or she provides some chef uniforms. Front office department, front office uniform provided by the housekeeping. So each and every department they have a different pattern of the uniform. So these all are the uniform provided by the housekeeping department. Laundry services, as already discussed, that these all are the come under the washing services, washing of the linens as well as. Next, horticulture. Horticulture is also main section we can say in a housekeeping department. What is horticulture? Horticulture related to the all flower arrangement, because in a banquet area there is a function, there is a marriage, we have to create some flowers, we have to create some flower arrangement, decoration. Each kind of flower decoration come under the horticulture section. It can be indoor, it can be outdoor. So next, this is the aviation hospitality industry. Aviation industry, it's it can include the entire airlines industry. There are so many airlines, Indigo, Air Indigo. There are so many airlines, international airlines, national airlines. Each and every airlines come under the aviation industry. So why we are taking as a hospitality industry? Because industry which provide facility to move one place to another place with luxury services. So there is a luxury services provided by the aviation industry. So that is why we are taking this industry is a hospitality industry, because I already told you the hospitality industry which is provide to services, which is provide to the services respective customers. So this is the also come under the hospitality industry. Aviation industry also provides some food and beverages services during the journey. During the journey of the guests, during the journey of the travelers, they also provide some food and beverage services. So that is why we are taking aviation industry is a hospitality industry, because these industry provide a very luxury services to the customer, to the travelers, and they all are enjoy their journey, and they all are enjoy in their journey time food and beverages, other luxury items. So that is why we are taking the airlines aviation industry is a hospitality industry. Now we have again tour and traveler industry. We can say there is again related to the aviation industry. So tour and traveler industry is one of the largest service industry in the world, because each and every foreign tourist, national Indian tourists, so there are so many tourists move one place to another place for the recreation purpose. So during their journey they want some services, they want some extra services by the company. So it is centered of the movement of the people from one location to another, as well as the fulfill services they require along the way. So all kind of services, all kind of luxury services we can say by the travel industry. So that is why we are taking travel industry as a hospitality industry. So e-commerce, now these days e-commerce industry is also we can consider in a hospitality industry, because now e-commerce is also come under the hospitality industry, because it provide so many customized products, to the customer at their home place. They can choose, they can select their needs and demands on by the help of internet, and these all are the services given by the e-commerce. So this is also services industry, this is also can come under the hospitality industry, because they also fulfill the needs and needs, demands, give satisfaction to the customer. So that is why we are taking e-commerce is a hospitality industry. E-commerce also known as electronic commerce or internet commerce, because we are using the internet, we are using the electronic gadgets to use the services, for using the services of the e-commerce. So that is why this is the e-commerce come under the hospitality. It refers to the buying and selling of the goods or services using the internet and the transfer of money. So this is the e-commerce industry which provide each and every customized products to the guest, to the customers, for their valuable money, for their satisfaction, for their completion needs and requirement. And one of the best retail industry is also there in the market. We can say this service industry is also come under the hospitality industry. Retail, because retail sector is also come under the hospitality industry. It provides so many customized products to the customers. It refers to the buying and selling of goods, services using the when they visit the outlet, because in that service industry the customer can purchase their items, purchase their needs and requirement, and each retail sector will provide the services to the customer. So this is retail industry also come under the hospitality industry. So now we have another industry. This is the food service industry, as already mentioned in the hotel section. So this is the industry which is also include with the restaurant, bars, banquet events, catering. There are so many catering industry like institutional catering, hospital catering, railway catering. So these all are the industry, these all are the section in a food service industry we are taking as a hospitality industry. So because in a restaurant we all are know their restaurants are provide the services, food and beverage services to the customer, and bar always provide some beverages, alcohol, non-alcohol beverages to the customer. They are dealing with the customer, they are provide to satisfactory services to the customer. So that is why the restaurant, bars is also come under the hospitality industry. So there is again we have a banquet and events. Banquet events, because we are giving the services large numbers of peoples, we are giving services to the large amount of peoples. So this is the banquet area, this is the world largest area which is for the large amount of people, and we are providing the large amount of food and beverages in that particular area, and we are giving the satisfaction to the customer. So this is the come under the food service industry, and this is also come under the hospitality industry. And last we have a catering. So these all are the institutional, hospital and railway catering. Because institutional, there are so many catering industry in the institutional sector, because these all are again provide some services, food and beverage services, and hospitals also provide food and beverage services to their patients and other subordinates. And railway catering also provide food and beverages at their stations for their passengers. So that is why we are taking these all are the food and beverage services, because these all are services given the satisfaction to the customer, fulfill their needs and demands. So these all are the hospitality services given by the different sectors. So that is why we are taking these all are the sectors, these all are the organizations we can say in a hospitality industry. So thank you for watching this video.